Hello and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bob's Home Tech. Today we have another unboxing and it's this. It's a power bank. It's from a company called Charmast and it's a 26,800 milliamp power bank, which I thought was quite massive. It cost me just under £40 on Amazon. And the reason you might want to buy one of these is because if you're out and about, say for instance you're sitting on the beach, and your battery's starting to go dead on your phone, or you've got a MacBook or a Nintendo Switch and you're just relaxing on the beach and there's nowhere to charge it, what you can do is you can get your power bank out, plug in your device and it will charge it up. Not only that, because the technology inside one of these things uses something called iSmart and quick charge, it will work out the optimum charging rate for that device. So it's very clever in that respect. And not only that, you can plug in more than one device at the same time and it will work it out for each device. So I thought that was quite clever. So with that, shall we do the unboxing and have a look and see what it looks like inside? Right, so I've got my knife. It's just shrink wrapped. It came in a Amazon box and then that was all that was inside. So I haven't opened it up yet, as you can see, because I haven't took the shrink wrap off. So I'm just trying to work it out which way is probably the best way to do it. Ah, there you go, I found it. Right, so I've got the shrink wrap off. I'm going to quickly show you around the box because I know how much you like seeing around the box. So it just displays the actual image of the product that's inside and protects it. Nothing really much to see on the back and nothing really to see on the side. Go green with Charmast, that's all it says on the side. There you go. So with that, shall we open the box? Now that I sorted it all out. So, oh, nicely presented. Got a little carry bag. Oh, and it's actually got the battery inside the carrier bag. So yeah, nice. The bag actually feels quite nice. It's good material. It's got them little pull levers there to tighten it up so it don't slip out. Let's have a quick look at the product itself. Feels very nice. It's big. Give it that. It's big. Will it fit in my pocket? Yes, fits neatly into my pocket. So ideal for out and about, or put it in a bag, whatever you want to do. It says Charmast on the front. It's got power bank on the back and some information there about your ampage and all that, or your milliamps. And model number. This is the model W2002P. And it also says capacity 26,800, which we know anyway. Right, so what else has it got? Oh right, so here's your connections on the side. Oh, and it tells you what's on the back. So you have a micro in, and that's for charging the power bank itself, not for charging a device. So that's on the side, and a lightning in. So again, that's for charging the power bank. So you can use one or the other. You've got the option. And then you have a Type C, which, something like your MacBook, something like that you want to charge up. That's what you probably use. 2 USB chargers and a fast charger. So the orange one's a fast charger. The other two are just standard chargers. So you can plug in up to 4 different devices at the same time for charging. And what else you got? Oh, and you've got an on-off button. So that's just for checking your status of your bank. Well, I'll have to leave it overnight, I think, to charge it up properly. So it's probably had an intermediate charge just to make sure it's working okay. So yeah, first impressions, I love the feel of it. It doesn't feel slippery. It is slippery, but it doesn't feel like a lot of the batteries when they're really shiny. Even like your phones when they just want to fall on the floor. It's got a nice feel to it, sort of a softness to it, which I thought was really nice. Let's see what else you get in the box. Right, so you get some paperwork, and it looks like you get some leads. So you get a quality control thing, so it's passed its quality control. Nothing much to see there. You get a lot of thank you things. Thanks for choosing Charmast. And it's got a smiley face on one side and a sad face on the other. So you can contact them if you're not happy with the product. Or if you are, you can do a review. Oh yeah, asking you to do a review on Amazon. And obviously you've got your instructions. So basically it tells you all about the product itself, all the different connections. And looking at it, it's all in English. Got customer services on the back. Gives you a lot of information by the looks of it. So I'm not going to go through all that now, but I just wanted to show you. So yeah, tells you everything you need to know about the product. And you've got some leads. So it comes with some leads for you. I assume they would say you either use your own leads, but if you haven't got your leads, these should work fine for you. So we have USB to micro USB. We have a C connections there, so C connections, and USB to micro USB, and we have an adapter, so a lightning connection. See that? So that should just fit over the end of that. As he says, it doesn't fit. Oh, and it does. So there you go. So that's your lightning connections there. See that? It's actually got a little picture of a lightning connection on it. I don't know if you can see that. So that's handy to have. So yeah, so you get three leads, which is very handy, with little lightning pictures on, and a little adapter as well, which I thought was a very nice little touch. So that's very helpful because you never know what you're gonna need at any time, do you? And you, oh, where's my leads gone? And then luckily you should put them perhaps in the bag with your power bank, and you're good to go. So what we're going to do now, we're going to plug in the device. I'm going to find myself a device, plug it in, and see if it works. So with that, shall we get on with it? Right, so I have a charger here, and it's a charger for my batteries. So these little batteries here, so I like to charge them up. And this uses USB connection, so it should, in theory, charge this up. So if you get a red light on one of these, that's the battery. The other one will be the empty slot. So I'm going to use one of their leads just to test it out. So just make sure what connection it is. I think it's this one here. Yeah, so that fits perfectly. And we're going to plug it in quick charge. And I'm guessing it will just come up straight on. So that's plugged in. And that lights up. Oh, and so does that. So just to prove the point, if I unplug it, you get two greens. And plug it back in, because the battery's low, it wants to charge up. So yeah, it works perfectly. So what's my first impressions? I think it's really nice. It is big, don't get me wrong. It's very big. Will it fit in my pocket? It does actually. It goes in there quite nicely. Fits in there really nicely. Doesn't hang out. So yeah, it will fit in a normal size pocket. I have normal size pockets. So yeah, it fits in nice inside your pocket. The only thing I would say to you is make sure you read the instructions before you start using it. They have some good advice on there how to use it and what they recommend connection that you should use first on this. But yeah, very pleased. We'll be giving it some real good testing over the next few weeks to see how good it is. But my first impressions, yeah, I'm very, very impressed. And would I give it a Yorkies thumbs up? Yes. $39.99 it cost on Amazon. I'll stick a link in there in case you want to check it out. I thought it was very good money, value for money. It is a massive battery, 26,800 milliamps of power in here, and I thought that's massive. Would charge up a big array of different devices as a quick charge, a normal charge. Yeah, and yeah, love it. Love the bag as well. Comes in a nice little bag. It comes with some cables for you to get you away in case you ain't got the right cables, although you should have. Yeah, very impressed. Will that fit in my pocket? Yeah, it goes in my pocket as well. So yeah, so definitely gets the Yorkies thumbs up. So with that, if you have any comments, please post them below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.